My coworkers hate my loud ass typing. It's really got the whole office staring. It's time to make a silent mechanical keyboard. I picked up the Ago 100 for the keyboard base as it was cheap, wireless, hot swappable, and has the perfect 90% form factor that I need. The keyboard case is thick plastic and the keycaps are made of PBT. Only gripe I have is the spacebar stabilizer, which rattles, making this keyboard quiet. I use Otimu Silent Grays, rubber dampening for the case, a tape mod on the back of the PCB, and lastly some O-rings. I also lube the stabilizers with Krytox 205G0. Here's a quick sound test. All done. I love this keyboard so much. It's nice and quiet whilst providing great tactile
feedback. For the full video, check